Hi guys, so I'm just filming in nature. Uh, yeah. Tell me what you want to hear from me. So, every rap I've ever spit on my video is a freestyle. Just going off the top of the head, you know, dropping it dead, off of the meds. Yeah. I'm just here. And I'm good. So, yeah. Starting my teeth, man. Yeah, I suppose. Anyway. Alright, let's go get out. Yeah. So, this is my garden. A beautiful garden. Look at my house. That's the house I live in. Yeah. Mansion. Got my lemon shoe, how much lemon I need. When I took my kids on, that's gonna hate. I'm really short on life, my friends from the tree. I punched down to the hook, but I'm in for a beat. Got boss and say, oh gosh, no cut it off. I'm shocking when it comes to beef, no cut off. I go my shit last night, like a savage. You about what you done, you dance. So we're out here in nature, as usual, just enjoying the sun. Feel that wind. Breathe. Breathe. Time to meditate. So this COVID-19 lockdown, really crazy. I was in all day, I couldn't even buy a phone. I'm getting a new Black Shark 3. I'll be playing games in it. I'll show you what I'm doing on it. I'll show you my games. Some Mortal Kombat, some Injustice 2, some Gods of War, some yeah, some Blaze of Legends, Mobile Legends, yeah. Oh, someone's coughing, man. Nah. Yeah. I wanna sing a song for you. So beautiful and true. You laugh like forever, my friend. Laugh like forever to the end. Even though it seems so hard for you, you know that you'll stay true to me. And I wanna help you through the struggles and bounds. 'Cause it's obvious to me that you need me. I need you, my friend, to the end. We'll see each other again.